Had a record player that played the blues, and a front porch where I'd get my daily news. They say faith, that's believing when you ain't got any proof. But I had a record player that told the truth. I had a good dad when I was 12 years old. He gave me Harvest, blonde on blonde and rubber soul. And he said, "Here, kid, this is some rock and roll. It helped me in my youth." He had a record player that told the truth, and I'd listen to those songs that I heard, and I found religion and wisdom in the world. On every crackle of the vinyl, when the needle hit the groove, I had a record player that told the truth. I had a girlfriend, she liked the band. We'd go to her mom's place, she'd take my hand. She'd lead me up the fire escape, we'd slow dance on the roof. She had a record player that told the truth, and I'd listen to those songs that we heard. We found religion and wisdom in the world. On every crackle of the vinyl, when the needle hit the groove, I had a record player that told the truth. I had a record player that told the truth. Hmm.